Beanie's such a pretty bird. Look at how pretty he is. Oh, wow. Such a pretty bird sitting on my lap today while I'm sitting on my yoga mat. He loves that. His new thing is wanting to get out of his cage and sit on my legs while I'm on the yoga mat, and I can exercise a little carefully with him. Look, there's a tiny bit of a bald spot on his head, but barely. Yeah. Pretty bird. So pretty. Look at his pretty feathers. Pretty bird. Oh, look at those cute toes. Aren't they cute? See his cute toes. Yeah. Too cute for me. Pretty Beanie. We got the window open. It's a nice spring day, a little chilly, but I love the little fresh air. Oh, geez, a person with their car. It's okay. Oh, no. All right. It's okay. Oh, he doesn't like the noise. I don't blame him.